My name is Shelby Jocelyn, and today I'm going to talk to you about an activity that I created for my students, and in a way that I can assess them, and it's almost like an online portfolio for them. So I'm using Seesaw right now, which is an online class portfolio website, this is my test class right now. And I can add the activity, so I'm going to assign the activity to my students, which is the rhyming scavenger hunt. I'm going to assign to my test class. And then when I go back to the home page, this is what the students will see, the rhyming scavenger hunt, and they have all the directions right here. And the directions say, complete the rhyming worksheet attached, which is right here, and create a video of yourself with 5 items and state at least one word that rhymes with that item. So for example, if I was creating a video, I would show the people on the video a picture of a pen, and I would say pen and hen rhyme, and they need to do that with 5 different items. And submit the video in the worksheet, and then you're done. So if I were the student, I would hit add response, and I'm pretending to be the sample student. And it's just like a worksheet they would get in class, and they would do this on a tablet or their computer, whichever one. They pick the pen, and they can pick whatever color that they would want. If the teacher says cat, what does cat rhyme with? What's the student's response? And we would just write bat. And they would go through all the words. Teacher says fog, what rhymes with fog? Bog. And they would go through the worksheet and submit it to me. And a part of the other directions was to take a video of themselves as a scavenger hunt going throughout their house, and they would do that here by clicking the video, take the photo, or upload the video, and they can submit that all right here as well. And I would get, it's uploading, this is their response. And I can edit it, and I can respond to them this way. I can submit the rubric that I have created for them, which I'll show you here. This is the rubric that they have to go through, and I can submit this to them through Seesaw as well and interact with them that way. So the worksheet simply says the content of the video, was it between 2 and 5 minutes? Did they tell me what I needed to hear? The content, they found 5 items in their house that rhymed with it. They completed the rhyming worksheet with no errors, and the student had a rhyming word with each item. And again, I can just submit that simply through here, and it has all of the activities are here. You can click on the student that you want. You can chat with them this way to give them feedback. So this was my rhyming activity that I assigned to my students for them to complete, and how I would assess them. Thanks.